It is January 14th, 2025, and we are going to review the Balenciaga website. So this is Balenciaga.com. Here's the homepage. Love the picture. It's beautiful. Look at the bag. We have this rodeo bag. Oh, I just have a guest speaker with these sneakers on. Look at her. Beautiful. Let's see how much those sneakers are. Gorgeous. I love this picture. Everyone has a different style, very unique. Look, from the stockings to the leggings to the boots, to the shoes, to the hair, to the glasses, to the accessories. Love it. That's an awesome picture. All right, so let's take a look at these sneakers. So we're talking, this is $1,000. They start a little bit more than 1,000, 1,200. Then you have these kind of like right here. All right, so they range different styles. They have a ton of sneakers, a lot of different styles. Let's take a look at the women collection. So we have this jacket for 11,000, a t-shirt dress for 1,100, this bag that was on the homepage, 4,000, rodeo flap card holder for 500, a luggage tag for 550. So it gives you an idea of the price range. And this is the All right, we have a small bag for 2,000, comes in 8 colors. Very nice. Cute. Going back. What is this? A charm heart for 625. I love the pumps. 4,000. The bags are cute. All right, now we're going to ready to wear. Let's go to basketball. Here's their basketball series. Love how interactive that is. So you have this, what was that, like $2,000 for the tank top? Shorts for 2,000. You got a hat for close to 500. Jacket, very simple, like a white t-shirt. Then there's a long white t-shirt with a short sleeve. You're talking $8.95, and then some basketball shorts for $7.95. Then you have Balenciaga and Under Armour. Let's take a look at that. We're going to take a look at the ski wear. Here we have some bags with the Under Armour logo. I like that. Looks pretty cool. The sneakers. Bodysuit. Love these sweats, those sweatpants, and they're flared. So they have, I love these sneakers. This one right here, this running sneaker. Those are nice. I would get those. Those are very nice. So I like those. Pretty cool. Okay, going back. Okay, here if you're doing your research about us, heritage, you would click on here. And this is probably, is this a video? This is probably a video. You can take a look if you're doing your research project. This information. It's probably long. I don't know how long it is. Here's some of the pictures. And then you can go about us. We're going to take a look at a few more items. Let's go to men. And then we'll take a look at the YouTube, Instagram, and then the career section. So we have, let's go to accessories, view all, sharp sunglasses. All right, we got this bucket hat, $475. We have some more accessories. We have sunglasses for a little over $500. Reversible beanie, $550. Skater belt. Take a look at eBay that Planet Earth. Simple caps. I didn't know that there were rackets. I have no idea. Something new. Tennis socks. I like the bracelets. I like that bracelet. Alright, so we got a bunch of cool items. You guys can browse, take a look. Alright, now we're going to go to, let's go bottom of the website. And then, oh wow, I like the mug, $90. Alright, this page is long. Usually when that happens, I just go to the home page because the home page is usually so much easier to get to the bottom of the page. And then here we can get to careers. And then we'll take a look at those 2 social media platforms. All right, so here's careers. We're just going to hit search. This was posted today, stock associate in Atlanta. I'm going to click on it. We're going to read the job description. Supplies, repair, stock organization. I'm going to go down. So 3 years of experience, luxury retail, proficient Microsoft Office, salary, price range, full time, probably just competitive. No, benefits. All right, let's go to store director. This is at the mall. Let's go down. Benefits, and salary. Diversity. Nope. All right, they do offer internships. I just see one right here. So that's good to know. Full-time internship. You can read more and get this translated in English. And then you have some jobs here in New York, merchandising and inventory planning. All right, so finally, we got a reasonable estimate of the current salary range for this position. So we're looking at 115 to 130,000, 130,000 per year. And that's a 12-month salary. Unlike our teacher salary, we do 10 months. All right, so you can apply. Let's see how easy. Autofill, apply with LinkedIn. Good to know. A lot of these have apply with LinkedIn, so get on LinkedIn, everyone. Alrighty, so let's go back to the, where are we going? Back to the home page. Let's go follow us. LinkedIn, no, we're gonna go to, let's go back to the home page. And on the bottom, we should see the social media links. No, maybe it's on the top. No. All right. Companies. Everyone should have their social media links on the homepage. Oh, here we are. And the icons, it's so much easier to find. So here we have Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Spotify. So let's check out Instagram. So we are already following it with 14.8 million followers. Take a look at their posts. Very nice. And then we can go back. And then TikTok. We'll take a look at the TikTok. And then I'm going to go to YouTube, which I don't see social media link on their homepage for YouTube. I have a YouTube channel, 341K subscribers, 242 videos. Here's the summer collection. Look at that fashion show. 12 video shorts, live playlists, and community. All right, thanks for watching. That's Balenciaga. Till next time.